Okay, so you will notice that there's a little bit of action here inside our shot. I have set up a fan and I am beginning the hardening process to start moving them outdoors. So as you can see, our height of our plants are pretty tall at this point, and I am trying to prepare the parsley for outdoor planting. So we've got some nice growth here for our thyme and our basils there in the back. And our mint is sprouted, a little tiny guy. And over in the back there is our second basil. And I'll have to come in and do a little bit more pruning here to get these guys out of the way because they are starting to block some of the light down there. But you'll notice that they're moving pretty well. And so what I did is I hooked up a fan and it's blowing air across these guys. And that's just to give these stems a little bit of strength before they actually go and get planted. The ultimate goal for this guy is to take the plug in about 1 week, since the weather is finally cooperating, and transplant him into the garden, which is why I haven't done that much pruning on this particular plant, because he needs as much of the roots as possible and as much of the upper vegetation to survive the transplanting process. So now it's just a matter of hardening up the stems so that he can survive what the environment is going to throw at him once he is actually in the garden. And I know I showed you before I was growing some plants in the spillover. Well, I started planting some other things, so what I have here are some melons back here and some pickles, and they've been underneath the lights for 4 days, and so I am starting to get more vegetation from all of our spillovers. Okay, so there's today's check, and I will check in with you tomorrow.